Hello everyone, welcome to Monica Monet Collection. I am Monica and I appreciate you for taking the time out to watch my video. Today I'll be making a Cirque pillow holder inspired by Gallerie, and here are the supplies you would need. The first thing I'm going to do is glue the party bowl on top of the jewelry box. Next, I'm going to glue my loop on top of my party bowl. Let it sit until the glue is dried. Now you can use Gorilla Glue or E6000 or any type of adhesive glue to hold everything in place permanently. I'm using my glue gun in this video because the glue dries faster, but I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna use my E6000 to make sure it seals and stay in place. Next, I'm gonna glue my spool that had thread around it on top of my loop. Make sure it is centered. Now it's time for me to take it outside and spray paint it. After it has dried for about 30 minutes, then I'm going to glue my candle top on top of my spool. Again, make sure it is centered. Now you can use either a candle vase or you can use a vase that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I am finished. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. This project came out so beautiful and it was so simple to make. This Gallerie inspired Cirque pillow holder was $47.99 and mine was $5.89. Now don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. Thank you for watching.